Halloween's certainly going to be a little bit different this year, though.
Yep.
Lifestyle expert Limor Suss has some spooktacular ways to have fun at home.
Hey, Limor, how are you?
Hi, guys.
You know, I was watching you on Instagram and I saw you made a candy shoot. For those of us who, you know, those neighborhoods that are still maybe doing some trick-or-treating, this is a way to do it socially distanced.
Yes. Okay. So what you do is you take one of those cardboard packing tubes. If you wanted to, you can also go to like a Home Depot or something and get PVC piping. But I think the packing tube is probably a little bit cheaper. And then all I did was my husband actually drilled like 2 holes inside and wrapped it onto my railing. And that one was 4 feet long. So I was standing behind, and then you have like a child standing there, and then you can kind of just shoot the candy through. Just a really cute way to still trick or treat if you are doing it and keep your distance. I think last week we had talked about also doing some little baggies, just kind of putting the candy in there as well. But I know a lot of people aren't going to be trick-or-treating this year. So I have some other ways that you can still celebrate if you are doing something maybe with just like your neighbors or just one, other family or something like that. So what I've done here is I got I love my little mini cauldrons. So I filled it up with guacamole. So the trick here is don't make your own guacamole, buy the store-bought guacamole because it won't brown. So like this one's been out since like 8 a.m. And but if you are making your own, just put a lot of extra lime in there so that it stays green. So it kind of looks like a fun witch's brew. And then last week we had talked about kind of doing these, these like bento boxes of snacks. So each person would get one of these, and then you kind of have like green and black tortilla strips. I know that Big Y sells them because Big Y, as you know, is my favorite place on the planet. So they do sell these. And then these ghost chips, they're just actually in the shape of ghosts. Veggie chips make them, and then also you can get them, Trader Joe's makes them as well. So a really fun way to kind of have, some snacks, and it's festive and kind of still single serve.
Karen and I both love our sliders there, Limor.
Okay. So for this is really easy to do. So all you do, so I made jack-o'-lantern burgers. These are just Boca burgers. You can use whatever burger you want. And so for the cheese, I actually just used a cookie cutter. You know, I love my cookie cutters. So the orange, I used pumpkin cookie cutter, obviously, and some cheddar cheese. And then you just freehand the jack-o'-lantern. So it's not going to be perfect. It doesn't have to be. And then just really easy to do. And you have festive burgers, and it took no time at all.
That is so fun.
And the reason I use the Boca burger is because it's right from the freezer section.
Isn't that fun? Look at that, how adorable
little Boca
that is.
burger. Okay.
He did the mash.
I mean, you can use whatever.
We did the monster mash.
Yes. Okay. And you have ghost lollipops?
Yes. So ghost lollipops. So this is also a great way to kind of have some treats, but then still doing the CDC recommendation of wrapping them. So all you do is get either coffee filters or these like fancy white napkins. I use the blow pops, but you can use whatever lollipop you have. You just wrap it. I use the twist ties that come with like garbage bags, but whatever works. And then you just draw on some eyes and a mouth with black marker. I put it on a tree, but you can just lay it out, and really easy to do and really fun and kind of fun for the kids too to kind of play around with it.
And what's with the donuts in front of you? I see donuts, Limor.
Okay, so donuts. I just got glazed donuts, and I got these fangs. And then you just put the fangs right into the donut's mouth, and then you add some googly eyes, and then you have monster donuts. And so once the kids kind of eat all the donut, they can kind of have some fun with it as well with the fangs.
Oh, those look so good. Hang on, we're watching this. Look at how adorable.
Okay. So the googly eyes, you just get those at like a craft store?
At the supermarket, right in the candy aisle. Oh. Yeah, they right in the baking aisle, like where they sell like icing and whatnot. They have like googly eyes.
And the fangs too? The fangs just at a party store or Amazon or something?
Fangs are at a party store, but even like I think the supermarkets, I know the ones by you are they have like a Halloween section, and they always have like the candy and the non-candy stuff like kind of like in the corner.
Okay.
I'm sure they have those. Yeah, so you can just get them, and at a party store too.
Jamie just said she got them
our
at
producer,
CVS.
said she got them at CVS.
Okay, I like that idea. I think I always pick something that you do, Limor, and add to my table.
We got a minute left, Limor.
Okay, so this I've done, we're just doing something small with my neighbors. So it's going to be 4 kids. So what I've done here is I got a bucket, and again, I got it at Party City. You can get it at any, even the CVS or wherever. And then I just filled it up with a Halloween maze. I have some stickers. There's this little, little kind of activities that the kids would have. Like you can just get, again, at any dollar store or party store, like stamps and crayons, stickers. I got these Halloween tattoos. The kids can do that. And so just something for them to kind of do and, kind of have fun with. Even though Halloween is different, you're probably not going trick-or-treating. They can still kind of have like a memorable, enjoyable
All right,
time.
Thank you, Limor.
And really easy to do.
Thank you, Limor. We love you.
We'll see you tomorrow. Happy Halloween.
Bye, guys.